Good morning. Welcome to video lectures organized by SSMRV College, an ISR initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, have come up with a unique initiative to engage the students at the time of these unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with the students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Dr. Ambika, working for the Department of Computer Applications, has posted a video on the subject data structures and the topic Mergesort. Please watch the video till the end, like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Mergesort is a sorting technique based on divide and conquer technique. The algorithm divides the array into equal halves and then combines them in a sorted manner. The array considered in the example has 6 elements which is allocated into the memory and labeled as ARR of 0 till ARR of 5. In this example, L is equal to 0 and R is equal to 5. This array is divided into 2 halves and each containing 3 elements. Again, the 2 halves are subdivided into 2 plus 2 halves. In this way, the elements are divided till the subdivision has only one element inside each half. This is followed by call to the merge function. Considering the above example, L is equal to 0 and R is equal to 6 while M is equal to 1. N1 is calculated using the formula M minus L plus 1 which is equal to 1. N2 is calculated using the formula R minus M which is equal to 5. Two arrays using N1 and N2 are created. In the first instance, as L of 0 is initialized to ARR of 0, that is 38. Using the next for loop, the rest of the elements are inserted into R array, that is from ARR of 1 to ARR of 6. While evaluates to be true, this is followed by execution of if loop. The elements of L array are compared with the elements of R array. If the elements of L array are less than or equal to the elements of R array, the elements of L array are inserted into the ARR array and I is incremented. Else loop is executed when if loop evaluates to be false and J index is incremented. In the above example, L of 0 is compared to L of R of 0 as 27 is less than 38, that is else loop is executed and 27 is inserted into ARR of 0. The same is represented in the step 2 of the figure. When the while loop is executed, the rest of the elements, that is 38 in the first case, is inserted into ARR of 1. Similarly, all the elements are compared to obtain the sorted array. Print array function is used to display the sorted and unsorted array. In the main function, array is initialized and Mergesort is called. This is followed by a call to the print array function. Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It picks an element as a pivot and partitions the given array around the picked pivot. There are many different versions of the quicksort that pick up the pivot in different ways. The first one would be always pick the first element as a pivot. Secondly, always pick the last element as a pivot. The third one would be pick a random element as a pivot. Fourth would be pick median as a pivot. We have chosen the last element as a pivot in this example. First, we list the library files used in the program. When the call is made to the partition algorithm, 3 parameters are passed. Those are array elements, lower indexed and the higher indexed. We have considered an example of 7 elements. Hence, low equals 0 and high is equal to 6. The pivot is pointing to 70. Using the for loop, the elements from 10 to 50 are passed. If the element is less than the pivot, the elements are swapped. Hence, from the set of numbers from 0 to 5, the elements greater than the pivot is pushed to the end of the array. The call is made to the Quicksort algorithm by passing the array elements lower indexed and higher index as the parameters. The partition algorithm is called. After the execution, the circled numbers becomes the pivot of the respective arrays. This is followed by a recursion call to the quicksort till all the elements are sorted. Swap function is used to interchange the position of the passed arguments. Print array is used to display the sorted and unsorted array elements. In the main function, array elements are initialized, followed by a call to the quicksort and print array functions. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.